Hi guys! I am running and gunning and loading all kinds of stuff up for our local Safari Club International banquet fundraiser. And since I am running and, well, maybe I'm not really gunning, but I want to share gunning with you. Today at Women's Outdoor News, a video published and it's all about shotguns. So I hope you enjoy this little link to it and then click over and watch the entire video at Women's Outdoor News. It's that time of year again. It is shotgun season and range time. Everybody is headed out to enjoy the weather or maybe freeze their tails off because you know what? Competition season waits for no one. Maybe it's because the little gal shoots shotgun among other things, but the road to Rio and the shotgun shooters has been incredible. There is some fierce competition this year.